Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm just doing a quick video today because I just realized that I can make homemade Greek yogurt using Parmalat milk. Y'all know the shelf stable, no preservative milk. This one happens to be 1% milk fat because I was wanting to see if I can actually make yogurt out of this. And guess what, guys? Look. I got yogurt, and this is the leftover whey. A little bit of solids at the bottom too. I can use this for smoothies. But yeah, you don't even need to heat the milk up because this is ultra pasteurized. It's been heated at a very high temperature already. So you just get you some regular yogurt with nothing in there, just plain yogurt of any fat quantity you'd like about 2 tablespoons for like 32 ounces. You see 946 milliliters here. Like 2 tablespoons of just regular yogurt mixed in with this in a bowl. You cover it and you leave it overnight in a nice warm area, or if you have an instant pot, use an instant pot. But yeah, it is entirely possible to make your own homemade Greek yogurt using this very inexpensive milk. So if you didn't know, now you know. Thanks for watching.